Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can sort PDF pages in iLovePDF. So basically just go to ilovepdf.com and now scroll down until you see organize PDF. Now you'll need to select a PDF file, so click and select PDF file, and right here you'll see all the pages right here, and you can basically reorder those pages how you like it and click organize. Now you can download and you will see that your PDF has been reorganized and basically pages changed order. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.